Since COVID-19 came into this country about nearly a year ago, we've done all what we can do, practicing the social and also the medical, the protection and prevention aspects that we've put in place, i.e. hand washing, wearing of masks, social distancing, and avoiding where there are crowds. Luckily, the scientists and the manufacturers have come out quickly with a vaccine which is going to be added to the protection that we are having so that people don't get excessively sick and overwhelm our hospitals, and people don't die unnecessarily from COVID-19 infections. Countries who started in January have shown evidence that once you are giving the injection, it reduces the number of people who fall sick, that it decreases morbidity, and also decreases the number of people who die from COVID-19 illness, so it decreases mortality. All the myths and the misconception about the vaccine is not true.